Welcome to AI Workloads 101, your essential guide for mastering the Microsoft AI-900 certification. You're presumably here because you want to learn more about artificial intelligence. Maybe you've heard about AI and want to know more. Or maybe you're going to be adopting AI at work or in school and want to know more about what to expect. This video is designed to provide a high-level overview of core capabilities of AI and give you an intuition of how they work and the basic principles on which it is based. Can AI accurately predict customer behavior or revolutionize healthcare diagnostics? What do you think? Comment below. We'll explore these questions and more. Let's start with the basics. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence refers to systems designed to mimic human intelligence to solve complex problems, with machine learning and deep learning as its core subfields, such as image recognition, natural language processing, NLP, speech recognition, decision-making, and more. In the AI-900 exam, you'll see questions about computer vision, natural language processing, NLP, conversational AI, responsible AI. Now, let's talk about responsible AI. Microsoft is committed to responsible AI, guided by 6 core principles to ensure ethical development and deployment. These principles include fairness, reliability, and safety, transparency, privacy, and security, inclusiveness, and accountability. Crucial for building trustworthy AI systems. Starting with fairness, fairness ensures AI doesn't favor or discriminate. AI developers make sure to minimize bias in training data and test AI systems for fairness. Next, reliability and safety. Systems should work as intended. AI is based on probabilistic models. It is not infallible. AI-powered applications need to take this into account and mitigate risks accordingly. Third one is transparency. Users understand how decisions are made. AI can sometimes seem like magic, but it's important to make users aware of how the system works and any potential limitations it may have. Next is privacy and security, protecting user data. Models are trained using data, which may include personal information. AI developers have a responsibility to ensure that the training data is kept secure. Fifth one is inclusiveness. AI should strive to ensure that the solution don't exclude some users. And final one is accountability. Ultimately, the people and organizations that develop and distribute AI solutions are accountable for their actions. Now let's break down AI workloads, a key topic in AI-900. Ethical considerations are paramount, addressing bias, ensuring data privacy, and maintaining transparency in generative AI tools. AI workloads are tasks performed by AI systems involving extensive data processing and complex computations. There are 3 main AI workloads you must know: computer vision, natural language processing, and conversational AI. Computer vision enables computers to see and interpret images, powering applications like image classification and object detection. It also includes facial recognition and optical character recognition, or OCR, which reads text from images. Natural language processing, or NLP, allows computers to understand and process human language, from text analytics to speech recognition. NLP also drives sentiment analysis and machine translation, bridging communication gaps across languages. Conversational AI builds systems that engage in human-like conversations, such as chatbots and virtual assistants. In retail, AI provides personalized recommendations, analyzing customer data to boost sales and satisfaction. AI chatbots offer 24/7 customer service, handling inquiries and assisting with orders, reducing operational costs. AI also optimizes inventory management, predicting demand and improving supply chain efficiency to prevent stockouts. In healthcare, AI algorithms analyze medical images like X-rays and CT scans for earlier, more accurate disease detection. Personalized medicine leverages AI to recommend tailored treatment plans and predict patient responses to medications. AI-powered wearables enable remote patient monitoring, facilitating timely interventions and reducing hospital readmissions. Customer service benefits from AI chatbots, resolving issues instantly, and sentiment analysis, understanding customer feedback. Automated ticket routing by AI improves response times and resolution efficiency by directing inquiries to the right agents. Now let's explore Azure AI Services, including computer vision. We'll demonstrate the Vision API's capability to read handwriting. Watch as we upload a sample image with handwritten text. The Vision API then processes the image, extracting the handwritten text with remarkable accuracy. Finally, the extracted text is displayed on screen, showcasing the power of Azure's AI capabilities. Which Azure AI service is specifically designed to read handwriting from images? The answer is the Vision API, a powerful tool within Azure AI Services. Today, we covered key AI workloads like computer vision, NLP, and conversational AI, alongside crucial responsible AI principles. Understanding these concepts is vital for your AI-900 certification journey. Keep exploring and preparing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more.